guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this video, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. Coming up on Uthando Nesithembu, ungenile wife number 5 kwaMseleku. uMacele uyam-introducer kubantwana. Apparently Musamseleku's 5th wife is Sine's friend. Sine ihlangahlangene. uSamke uzoba umama kaSine after they've been friends for so long. Umngani kaSine wamkhuphalela because what? Umngani wami wena manje uzoba uma wami. Kanjani mfethu? Samke Khwela knew ukuthi uMsamseleku wazubaba kamngani wakhe uSine, kodwa yena wavuma ukuba unkosikazi kaMusa. uMacele naye udidekile manje the way abona uSine abingelela wife number 5 as if bayazana. Vele they are friends. Isikhathi uSine amenshina ukuthi umngani wami, everyone was shocked. Oh, you know what's worse? When Sine mentioned friends, she was like, no way, I'll bite her nose. Because what are you doing here with my father when we are friends? Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.